How to add images to a Squarespace page. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add images to any of the Squarespace pages that you have into your website. So we are going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to head over the account dashboard. Once we have did that, we're going to click on go to website, wait for a few seconds, and we're going to see our website ready. So we are going to head over to the website, click on pages, and from here we are going to select any page that we want to add the images for. So we are going to maybe select this one, or that one. It doesn't matter. The most important thing is to click on the edit button here. Now, as you can see, we have some illustrations or images already into the website and a different kind of them. So these are going to be either set up for, let's say, work or illustration. I'm going to begin my tutorial by letting you see how we can add images within sections. So we are going to click on add sections. As you can see from the intro section, we can see that we have images or inserting images places. We can go ahead and choose whether it is going to be an intro section. A contact section also will have some image blocks, about sections also. As you can see, different shapes, different matters, different sizes. Also, people. At least we have one section that contains images into these type of sections. So add whatever you want from, for example, your images. You can go ahead and add here carousels, as you can see, sliders. Different shapes of. So what I am going to do here is going to let you see that if I am going to add an image like this or this section, it is going to contain two images. One is going to occupy half the section, and one is going to be only a small part. So we can go ahead and edit the image, as you can see, and also the design of it. So we can go ahead and give it a shape like that or whatever. And then you can go and insert whatever image by double tapping on the image, click on replace, upload a file, or select from the library. And here you can see that we are going to add an image just like that. Now, for the normal case, which is going to be the standard, we can go ahead and add, instead of sections, we're going to add blocks. So we can go ahead and click on add block, select from these blocks or the basic blocks, image. Click on image and you're going to get this shape. So this is the standard shape. You're going to find it in here or see it from here better. You can go ahead and change the shape by clicking on the pen tool, design, shape. You're going to give it a shape if you want. You have 1x1, 2x3, or 3x2 shapes. You're going to choose, and then we are going to place it wherever we want. You can go ahead and click on edit again, and on the content you can add an image. So you can go ahead and choose either we are going to upload or from the library images that we have into the Squarespace cloud. So I'm going to add this image. You can also attach a link to an image, and here you go. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.